In this video, I will show with you step by step how to check in online in Air France. So all you have to do, go to Google, look for Air France. This is the keyword, click the first result here, and then you will see this page. From here, scroll down, click on check in option. So in this case, you will see different options. So all you have to do, you should be registered with, you can register with your account from here, or you can register with a booking reference. From here, write your booking reference. As you can see here, write your ticket number or booking reference. You have two options here, ticket number and booking reference. Write your ticket number, for example, in this case, this is your booking number ticket. And then write your name. For example, this is your name. After that, choose your flight number here, as you can see here in this case, and then write check-in. So friends, all you have to do, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Keep watching.